In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your address on eBay. Whether you're moving to a new place or simply need to update some outdated information, modifying your address on eBay is crucial to ensure a smooth buying and selling experience. So, let's dive right into the steps to update your address with ease. First, you need to open your web browser and navigate to eBay's official website at ebay.com. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. Remember, if you have any issues logging in, make sure that your email and password are entered correctly, and perhaps try resetting your password if necessary. Once you're logged in, take a glance at the upper corner of the eBay homepage. You'll see a drop-down menu that represents your profile. This is your gateway to various account settings. Go ahead and click on it. Within this menu, you'll find the option labeled Account Settings. It's quite straightforward from here. Locate and click on that option. This will guide you to a new page where you can manage different aspects of your account. On the Account Settings page, you'll notice several options on the left-hand side that pertain to your personal information and preferences. What we need here is the Addresses section, so go ahead and click on Addresses. This section gathers all the address information currently associated with your account, which includes your mailing and shipping addresses. Now you need to identify which address you need to update. If you have multiple addresses saved, make sure you select the correct one to avoid any delivery mishaps. Once you've pinpointed the address you'd like to change, you will see an Edit button next to it. Click on Edit to open the address details. Here's where you'll input the new address details. You'll want to make sure every detail is accurate to prevent any issues with future shipments or communications. This includes verifying the street number, city, postal code, and any other relevant details. It's always a good idea to double-check your information before saving to avoid any unintended errors. Once everything is filled out to your satisfaction, look for the Save button and click it to update your information. eBay will notify you if the update was successful, and your new address will be set as the default for your transactions. It's really just as simple as that. And there you have it. Your eBay address has been updated. By keeping this information current, you ensure that your purchases arrive at the right place. If you have any further questions or run into any trouble, don't hesitate to check eBay's help section or reach out for support. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!